Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, also known as the State Technological University of Madhya Pradesh, is a multi-campus research university. It has received an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. It oversees more than 400 colleges, with 200 of them being engineering institutions. How are the BE BTech courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with placements which have been rated 3.6 stars. According to NIRF 2024 report, approximately 48% of the students were placed in the 2022-23 placement drive, which is a near 10% decline in comparison to 2020-2021. Students reported that top recruiters like Amazon, United Phosphorus Limited, Jio, Cisco and Tata visited the campus, offering roles like AI ML, ethical hacking and data engineering. The median packages in 2022-23 was around 4.25 lakh per annum, reflecting an increase of over 21% since 2020-2021. Interestingly, if one were to compare with the massive DAVV or Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya in Indore, the RGPV median packages surely have room for improvement. Regarding internships, students mentioned that many secure internships in IoT and embedded systems, with most finding off-campus opportunities. RGPV University of Technology offers 11 BTech specializations, including automobile and petrochemical engineering, and 14 BE specializations, including industrial production and petrochemical engineering. Admission is based on JEE Mains and DTE-MP. The tuition fees for the 4-year BTech program is around 89,000 rupees. UIT RGPV offers both central and government scholarship schemes that are disbursed basis multiple criteria, and these could be merit-based, need-based as well as category-based. For example, the Armed Forces or the Jammu and Kashmir state. Let's switch gears to the 3.8 rated infrastructure. UIT RGPV Bhopal is located near Gandhinagar on the outskirts of the city, approximately 3 kilometers from the airport on the Bhopal bypass road. The campus includes instructional blocks, workshops, a library block and an administrative block. The various departments of UIT are equipped with computer centers, departmental libraries and specialized labs for teaching, research and innovation. These include the Electrical Drives Lab, Power System Protection, Instrumentation and Measurement, Computational Fluid Dynamics and CAD Lab, Advanced Chemistry and Physics Lab, Computer Controlled CI Engine, Non-CFC Refrigerant Testing Ring and Environmental Lab. The campus also offers residential facilities for staff and separate hostels for boys and girls. It provides a conducive academic environment with large open spaces, playgrounds and academic parks, along with facilities such as international standard swimming pool and a ground with 6 to 8 running tracks. Additionally, as per the plan, the main campus of Rajiv Gandhi Technological University covers 241 acres situated along the 4-lane Raisen Narsingarh bypass highway. The campus primarily consists of a plain area with a small portion located on hilly terrain. Now, speaking of the 3.8 rated faculty and course curriculum. The faculty at RGPV is highly experienced and well qualified, with many holding PhD qualifications. Additionally, UIT RGPV offers various research areas for students, including power sector reforms, energy conservation and audit, IC engine and air pollution, robotics, trenchless technology, NDT, and the design for pressurized concrete structures. Students are required to attend at least 75% of the lectures delivered and the practical classes held separately in each subject of their course study. Moving on to the 3.8 rated campus life. UIT RGPV hosts various events, workshops and festivals such as Reolathon, inductions, Vijay Path and more. Finally, RGPV is currently unranked by the NIRF 2024. For more details on RGPV Bhopal and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.